Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to enable the Tell Websites Not to Sell or Share My Data option in LibreWolf. This feature helps enhance your privacy by sending a request to websites, asking them not to sell or share your personal data. Let's get started. First, open your LibreWolf browser. Click on the menu button in the top right corner of the browser. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down to Website Privacy Preferences. Look for an option related to Tell Websites Not to Sell or Share My Data. Enable the toggle switch. After enabling this option, LibreWolf will send a request to websites, instructing them not to sell or share your data. Keep in mind that not all websites respect this request, but it's still a good step for improving your online privacy. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more privacy and security tips. See you in the next one.